Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make new project in photopea. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your photopea software. You can open this on your online version, otherwise the offline version. Now I am open my offline version. Now we want to make a new project. We can see here the new project option. You can open this, otherwise open another way, go to the file menu and select the new option. Otherwise you can open this new project using the keyboard shortcut key, press Alt plus Ctrl plus N. Now I am select this new project option. We can see here many template. Otherwise you can open the default size like print size here, the photo size, screen or the mobile size, ads, etc. Now I am select the social option and now I am select this YouTube profile option 800 by 800 pixel. Now I am select this and we can see here the size is 800, height and wide, and the DPI you can change the DPI. Now I am make this 300. You can change the background color like black or the transparent or the custom. Now I am select this white. We can see here the color, you can change the custom color. Now I am click create option. Now we can see we create a new project in photopea very easily. You can do your work easily of this photopea software. You can add text, select this type tool and add a text. Now I am write my text. Otherwise you can do your work easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.